I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a very interesting question on solving logarithmic equations. The question is, given log of 4a plus log to the base 4 of b equals to 2, calculate all the possible integer values of a and b. Explain your reasoning. So that is the test problem. I'd like you to pause the video, answer the question. Let's write down the equation. It is log to the base 4 of a plus log to the base 4 of b equals to 2. Now since we have log with the same base, sum could be written as a product, right? So we could write the left side as log to the base 4 of a times b, right, equals to 2. So that is how we solve equations, correct? Now we could write this in exponential form. So we get a times b equals to 4 squared, which is 16. So we have a times b equals to 16. Now I think the answer is very clear. Calculate all possible integer values of a and b. So that means we are looking for the product to be 16, right? So this is what it is. Now you will also notice that since it is log to the base 4 of a and log to the base 4 of b, we know one thing, that a has to be greater than 0 and b is also greater than 0. That means both are positive, correct? Now two positive numbers multiply to get 16. So we are looking for factors of 16, right? So the values are, we could multiply 1 by 16 to get 16, correct? We could multiply 2 by 8 to get 16, or we could multiply 4 by 4 to get 16, right? So it's kind of a rainbow of factors. Okay, so like this. Perfect. So these are all the possible values of a and b. So let me write them in a form of a table. That will help us actually. So let us say that is the table, and we are saying the values of a and b are such that their product is 16, right? So that's the whole idea. So if I take 1 as a, b should be 16. If I take 2, then b should be 8. If I take 4, both should be 4, right? If I take a as 8, in that case b should be 2. And if I take a as 16, in that case b should be 1. So these are the coordinate pairs which will help us to get a and b, so that we get the product as 16 or solve the question, right? So our answer here is calculate all possible integer values of a and b. So combination of a and b could be written as kind of like this, is equals to, then you can write 116, right? So you say 28, 44, right? Or we could write 82 and 16, 1. So these are all the possible combination. I hope that helps. Thank you.